Hello, today I will guide you on how to install Eclipse on Ubuntu Linux. Step 1, check if Java is installed. Before installing Eclipse, ensure that Java is installed on your system. Open the terminal and run the following commands. After checking if Java is not installed, proceed with the installation steps below. Install Java by running Enter your password when prompted and press Enter. Press Y when prompted and press Enter to continue. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, verify by running Java minus version. Java C minus version. Step 2, install Eclipse IDE. Open Ubuntu Software Center. Search for Eclipse in the search bar. Click on Eclipse IDE and then click Install. Enter your password if prompted. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 3, open Eclipse IDE. Once installed, open Eclipse from the Applications menu. When prompted, select a workspace and click Launch. Once Eclipse is open, create a new Java project by navigating to File, New Java Project. Enter a project name and click Finish. Right-click on the SRC folder, select New Package, and give it a name. Inside the package, create a new Java class by selecting New Class. Check the option Public Static Void Main String Args and click Finish. In the main method, enter the following command. run the program. If everything is set up correctly, you will see hello in the console. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.